Hello folks, welcome to Harrison Repairs. Today I'm going to show you about repairing this wooden chair I'm sitting on. I use it for my video recording right now. I hope to get sometime an office chair because it'd be more comfortable. But for now, I decided I do need to replace. It's basically a part of the wooden leg, okay? So I'm probably going to call it wooden chair leg repair, or wooden, or at least wooden chair leg, okay? But it is part of the leg. It's the wooden bar between the legs. Okay, so I basically just gave it, some wood glue, and it's held up. I mean, it's really nice. I feel not wobbly. I'm better in it. So it did work out. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm sorry if I'm a little frustrated. I think I was a little slightly frustrated in the video. If I am and it bothers you, I'm sorry. I am human and stuff. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that's all I have to say right now. And before then, please use safety. I shouldn't have to say this, but when you do any repair project, please be safe in doing it, and but also get the repair done and enjoy. If you enjoy fixing stuff, enjoy fixing it. But I do like to just say that because it is important to use safety and be cautious in any repair project you do. Um, but for now, no further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, folks, on Harrison Repairs, I'm going to fix this chair. And I have it all laid out with a little bit like newspaper paper, and I'm going to, glue it back together. Okay, here we are. Here's the chair. Now I'm going to put this leg back in. You could put a screw. I couldn't find another screw for it. I don't even know where it went. There's a screw here for some reason. But I'm deciding to try to fix this. And I'm realizing something. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm pulling out one of my screwdriver sets. I'm going to look at some stuff and see. I don't know if I need it, but I have it. Let's see here. Actually, it looks like it's up. There went my light. Put it over here. Oh, come on. There you go. Alright. I think the easiest way is to put some glue in here. That's why I did this, because I wish I had screw. I didn't realize that someone had gone through and screwed it, but there we go. It's probably too much glue. I was trying to be finesse about this. I may not have been. Alright, there's a screw at the other end. I'm going to pop this in. There you go. And the newspaper is going to hold that so that the glue can do its work. Then what I'm thinking about doing is fixing the top here. A little jerky, sorry. But I think about fixing the top. So, let's see what we could do with that. Give me a moment and I'll be right back. Okay folks, I'm going to take the screw off the top here. I'm going to take that out with the screwdriver. And then I'm going to put glue on this side and try to fix it. Let's see if I could do that. There you go.
I don't know if I can do that while holding the camera though, so I may take the screw out and then, or try to find a way to do it. Here, let's see. Alright, here we go. Let's get this started. Alright, let's see here. I'll get my handy dandy screwdriver out. Here we go. That needs to stay there. Oh, that was easy to pull out. Alright. Cool. Make sure you keep everything with it. That ain't good. Alright. So, I'll put the screw down. Then I'll dump some more of this glue. And on the outside. Oh, the glue is in there. Okay, good. Alright. Then I'll put the thing back in. And I'll tighten it. This one had a screw on this end. Come on. Really? Okay, here we go. Let me see if I can find it bigger. Nope. Alright, here we go. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. If stuff would stop falling on me, that would be nice. Come on. Come on. Nope. Oh, you piece of... Okay, come on. Alright. Here we go. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. This is why I need new equipment sometimes. Alright. Okay, you're gonna do what I want you to do. Let's see here. No. Alright. We're getting there. There we go. Alright, here we go. Come on. You know what? I got a better way of doing this. Alright, here we go. Sometimes when hand things don't work, the power drill will. Alright, hold on. Alright. No. Alright, here we go. Come on. Come on. No. Come on, you're getting there. Come on. Really? How in the world do you not get in down in there? Alright. Because it's right there. It was down in there. You gotta be kidding me. This is what's crazy. It was down in here. What in the world? Okay. That doesn't make sense to me. What's so freaking ever? Alright, but anyway, at least that's how you glue it. I hope to get a bolt back in there somewhere. Anyway, that's been it for the Harrison's repair. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.
Well, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the wooden chair repair. Again, I apologize if I felt frustrated. You know, I had to set up my equipment and I had to do the right things. And anyway, but I did enjoy it. I did enjoy getting it fixed, and I wanted to show it, and so I did. Um, but the other thing I will like to mention is with the chair, I may have to look into. There was a screw in there, and I took it out, but I don't think the screw really belongs in the chair. I don't know why it was really in there that way, because it doesn't really fit. I'm amazed it held in. So I may have to get a shorter screw than what that one is, and one that's a lot thicker, so I could screw it in and it will hold better to the chair. But for now, the chair seems to work fine. I'm sitting in it right now, and I'm using it, so so I'll have to keep an eye on it and maybe add those screws in later or something on my own time. But again, if when you look into something like that, just kind of look around. Maybe try to get like, I mean, we got wood glue, so that helped put it together and stuff. I probably could have looked for some screws. I didn't realize it had some that I could put probably in there. So, but it works. The leg is fixed, so um, I guess I just won't worry about it right now. Um, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you comment, subscribe, and leave a like. And I guess I'll see you next time on the next time I do one of these Harrison Repairs. In the meantime, there's other videos I have out there, especially the Harrison Show. That's what's going on right now. Um, Outside of if like I said, the only time these things happen is if I have something to show and repair. So, and this is the second video right now, and I hope to do more in the future. We'll see. But for now, I want to say have a nice day, and I guess go out and fix something. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.